It is time to put my slice of frozen pizza in the microwave. Pizza is my favorite food of all time. Let's do this. What? Why isn't this piece of crap working? Okay, you know what? That's the last straw. I am destroying this stupid broken microwave since it doesn't want to cook my pizza.
Oh my gosh. Jade, did you break our microwave? We heard a big loud crash from the living room.
Well, of course I did. The stupid microwave refused to cook my pizza, so I had to lift it and throw it hard to the ground because it was broken.
Oh my god, Jade. We seriously can't believe you broke our expensive microwave. The microwave costed about $2,000.
And if you could have told us if the microwave was acting up, then you wouldn't be in trouble. But now it's too late. Jade, go to your room right now. You are grounded for 8 days.